Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Redis persistence on a VDS for speed, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Redis persistence on a virtual dedicated server, start by connecting to your VDS via SSH. Use your terminal client to initiate the SSH session. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate your Redis configuration file. This file is typically named redis.conf. Use a text editor to open the configuration file. You can use editors like Nano or Vim. For example, type nano/etc/redis/redis.conf and press enter. Scroll down to find the persistence settings. Look for the line that includes save. This line specifies how often Redis saves data to disk. You will find entries that look like this: save 901 or save 310. To disable RDB persistence, comment out these lines. You can do this by adding a hashtag symbol at the beginning of each line. Next, locate the AOF, append only file, settings. Look for the line that reads append only yes. Change this to append only no to disable AOF persistence. After making these changes, save the configuration file. If you are using Nano, press Ctrl+O, then enter, and finally Ctrl+X to exit. Now, restart the Redis service for the changes to take effect. You can do this by typing sudo systemcll restart Redis and pressing enter. Check the status of Redis to ensure it is running correctly. Use the command sudo systemcll status Redis. If everything is working, you have successfully disabled Redis persistence. This change should enhance the performance of Redis on your VDS. Monitor your Redis performance to confirm the expected speed improvements. Keep in mind that disabling persistence means data will not be saved across server restarts. Ensure you have appropriate measures in place to handle potential data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.